Hi. Are you on the quest to find for the best electric lawnmowers but also on a tight budget? An electric lawnmower is a quiet, lightweight, and environmentally friendly choice. We have spent numerous hours researching hundreds of user reviews to find the best model. Our final rankings based on performance and their budget-friendly price point. So, if you choose from these models, you can be sure that you buy a great product. Number 5. And these are our editor ratings for this product. Number 4. These are our editor ratings for this product. Number 3.
Mojo MJ401E, an easy-to-use electric lawnmower from Sunjo. Compact and lightweight, the Mojo MJ401E is a lean, mean, and green mowing machine that quickly gets your yard chore done with zero carbon emissions for cleaner air. Starting the Mojo is easy. Simply press and hold the safety button while pulling back on the bar lever, and its powerful 12-amp motor starts instantly. Equipped with a durable steel blade, Mojo cuts a 14-inch wide swath with each pass. Set your Mojo for short, medium, and tall grass blades by turning the mower on its side and adjusting the 4 wheels into the corresponding setting. Its 10.6-gallon hardtop rear bag conveniently collects grass clippings and detaches easily for quick disposal. And its rugged all-terrain wheels make it easy to maneuver in and out of tight spaces. And when you're done mowing, the handles on the Mojo can be collapsed, so you can neatly store it without taking up much space in your garage or shed. The Mojo is backed by a full 2-year warranty and is ETL approved. So ditch the gas, oil, noxious fumes, and pull cords, and experience an easier and more convenient way to get your yard work done. Mojo from Sunjoe. Get equipped.
And these are our editor ratings for this product. Number 2.
Introducing the 12-amp 20-inch electric mower from GreenWorks Tools. 12-amp motor delivers enough power to cut through the toughest grass and weeds. At 56 pounds, with a durable 20-inch cutting deck, it is the ideal lawnmower for small to medium-sized yards. Thanks to its easy push start and lightweight design, eliminate all the hassles that come with a gas-equivalent mower. The 3-in-1 feature design provides multiple options for grass clippings, from side discharge, mulching, and rear bagging. A 7-position height adjustment offers a range from 1.5 inch to 3 3/4 inch for the perfect cut on all grass types. Wide 10-inch rear wheels and 7-inch front wheels ensure the mower will move across any yard. After use, conveniently store the mower thanks to the folding handles.
And these are our editor ratings for this product.